Good morning everyone, this is me Ali and I welcome all of you in this particular video. Guys, today our focus is going to be on the Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Starting from gold, by the way, on Friday we have had a non-farm payroll data from the United States which actually performed really well for the US dollar. Guys, as we know, there's a negative correlation between the US dollar and the precious metal gold. That is why after the NFP, when NFP was performing really well, investors moved their investment from the precious metal gold to the US dollar. So whenever that activity has happened, we have seen a dramatic selling in the gold prices. As we can see here, due to positive NFP, gold has also completed its ABCD pattern, which started from 1745, and basically the C to D wave was completed around from 1721 level to 1672 level. Anyways, with that, the precious metal gold entered into the oversold zone, as we can see on the leading indicators. Specifically, these are known as oscillators, the RSI and MACD. The RSI value, as we can see here, is falling below 20 level, which is representing that the number of the number of sellers are exhausted and buyers may be looming around the corner to enter in the market. So likewise, as we can see on the MACD, the histograms are getting smaller and smaller, which is also representing that the sellers are exhausted, and very soon we are going to take a look at the number of buyers increasing in the market. We have also applied the Fibonacci on gold hourly time frame. As we can see here, the gold has completed 38.2% retracement at the level of 1686, which means that if we zoom in, if zooming into the chart, we can see that the gold is also crossing above 38.2% level, which is opening its room, and this can lead gold prices towards the next retracement level of 61.80%, which completes at 1698 level. So for now, the forecast for gold suggests that there is going to be a slight buying trend in gold today, and gold prices can go after 1698 level. And I'm also saying this because, as you see here, there is also a bullish engulfing candle closed there. There's a bullish crossover on the MACD as well. The histograms are forming above zero, and the every next histogram is becoming bigger than the previous one, which is supporting the bullish trend in gold prices. So at the same time, 1698 level is going to be very crucial for gold, because the 50 periods exponential moving average will also be holding there to provide resistance to gold. In any case, our first target should be 1698. However, if it gets violated, gold manages to close above this 1698 level, the next target level for gold is going to be somewhere around 1714 level, which is here. So that's all for gold. Let's take a look at the Euro USD. Okay, so guys, Euro USD, as you see, like the market is retracing back. The RSI and MACD are still in the bearish zone. These are suggesting the selling trend in the market. But right now, on the other hand, if we take a look at the hourly time frame, the regression trend line, the regression channel is providing support to Euro USD prices somewhere around 1.1284 level. Closing of candles above this particular level is going to be like providing support to Euro USD, and above this level we can expect gold prices to take a bullish turn. But as soon as gold prices manages to violate 1.1284 level, the next support is going to be somewhere around 1.1219 level. Let me tell you what's going on right now. Basically, the MACD is in support of selling bias, while the RSI is also in the support of selling bias, because as you see, the RSI value is holding below 50, which is in the selling zone. So that is why the whole focus of us is going to be on the 50 periods exponential moving average, which is right now providing support to Euro USD prices. So, just keep an eye on 1.1284. Closing of candles below this level is going to help us for capturing the selling movement in the Euro USD. However, if we see a closing of bullish candles or maybe doji or spinning top or a hammer candle or a bullish engulfing candle above 1.1284 level, we can go long somewhere around there, and we can expect Euro USD prices to go after, first of all, at the 1.1338 level, and above this the next target is going to be somewhere around 1.1380 level. So guys, that's all. See you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.